Alrighty mga kaunggoy, Magol! And welcome to a brand new usapang video, Magol. At ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang pagkakaibigan sa online class versus face-to-face class. Tulad ng ginawa kong video nung huli, which is yung pros and cons ng online class, 2 parts din itong topic na ito. And tungkol sa online class din ito. Well, more specifically sa pagkakaibigan sa online class and face-to-face class. Shoutout nga pala kay RC or Bunny for helping me with this video, Magol. So with that out of the way, let's start this video, shall we? I think kung extrovert ka or you have a very easy time talking to people, this will be very easy for you. Extrovert nga eh. Yung mga extrovert na yan, basic lang sa kanila makipag-usap kung kani-kanino. I mean, ang galing ng mga extrovert makipag-usap sa face-to-face, sa online pa kaya? Also, according to RC or Bunny, mas madali daw maghanap ng kaibigan at mag-interact sa online compared sa face-to-face.
Have you seen an alien, please? Have you seen a ship, please?
Kasi kapag online, mas at ease ka. Makakapag-share ng nasa thoughts or feelings mo kasi may parang less pressure. Like, wala masyadong pressure kasi di ba pag face-to-face or whatever, like in person, nakatitig or may eye contact. Sa online, walang ganyan, pre! Walang eye contact or titig, no? Nakakabawas ng pressure to confront or speak with people kapag nasa online ka kasi you are being protected by your screen or monitor or kung ano man sa internet. Also, I think madali din kasi you are speaking with people in the comfort of your own home and you are in your turf, your home court. Home court advantage is real, Magol. You have the high ground and you've got the advantage here, Magol. Pag online, you can learn more about the person at a much faster pace by just looking or visiting their profiles. And from there, you can start a conversation about common interests. Check their account, check their posts, their my days, their stories, their pics, whatever the fuck they post on their social medias. Talk about it. Alam niyo naman, di ba, karamihan ng mga tao sa social media, they post everything. They show everything. Ang daming nagkakalat sa social media, Magol. Yung mga stalker dyan, ayan, marami na kayong malalaman sa taong sinostalk nyo. Swerte kayo. You were born in the age of the internet. Pag online, it's much easier to express themselves by typing or virtual voice calls like their ideas or opinions. Mas makakapag-express ka ng sarili mo online, either by words or by editing, like yung mga gumagawa ng memes, or kapag comfortable na kayo sa isa't isa, may call shit na din, voice calls, meeting calls, video calls, all the calls up the ass, Magol. Di mas madali na ang usapan nyo. You can talk to anyone, at any time, at anywhere. Pag online, it's just as easy to end the conversation as it was when starting it. Self-explanatory po ito, mga kaunggoy. Like, for example, hey, nakita ko tong post mo tungkol sa ganito, let's talk about this. Tas pag gusto nyo na i-end ang convo, either pwede nyo i-inbox zone or scene zone or whatever the fuck you teens do these days.
Medyo iwas-iwas na kayo. Medyo takas-takas na tayo dyan.
Alam mo yun, pag ayaw nyo na yung kausap nyo or naboboring na kayo sa kausap nyo, pwede nyo na lang i-like zone, scene zone. Huwag nyo na lang pansinin yung parang message niya. Daming mga ghoster dyan no?
Sarap no? Sarap na ganito kwentuhan no?
Ngayon, tapos na yung sa online. Now, let's talk about sa face-to-face, Magol. So, ito yung pros ng face-to-face na pagkakaibigan. Let us begin. Pagkasama mo sila, di ba katabi mo sila or nasa presence ka nila.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
So madali lang na bigla ka nilang kakausapin. Like halimbawa, pag nakita nila yung suot mo, parang bigla ka na lang kakausapin. Uy, ang ganda ng suot mo ah. Uy, saan mo nabili ang suot mo? Di makakapag-usap na kayo. Then yung pag-uusap ninyo, it will lead to friendship. Either ikaw kakausap or better yet, sila kakausap sa'yo.
Yun yung kwentuhan.
Kasi as an introvert, I find this very cool. Kasi pag kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko or acquaintances or group of friends, di ko na kailangan mag-isip ng kung ano-anong shit para lang makipag-usap. They can do it for me. They can ask me shit and I'll talk from there, magal. Kailangan ko lang is people ask me shit and makakapag-usap na ako kasi I really feel like the social anxiety pag in person and may kipag-interact ako kahit sa online or kahit sa face-to-face. Sobrang hirap para sa akin na makipag-socialize, no? Malamang pag magkakasama kayo physically, you can tell, you can sense yung tunay na ugali nila. Though pag magaling sila magtago ng ugali, edi may hirapan kayo mag-sense ng kung anong talaga ugali nila. Pero most of the time, you can tell what a person's personality is based on sa body language and all that other bullshit like eye language. Alam niyo yung makakaramdam kayo ng vibe? Parang nararamdaman nyo pag wala silang pake sa'yo or nararamdaman mo pag ayaw kanila kausap. So yun, madali mong mararamdaman yun and it's easy for you to know when the fuck you can get out of that conversation.
Hindi na ako masyadong kasalita. Alis, gagawa na ako ng way para umalis.
Eto, let me explain, Magal. Based on personal experience, this is the best. This is very awesome. It's an honor. Ito ang pinakamalupit. And kung hindi to nangyari, then wala akong group of friends or friend group sa kung san man. Like sa school or whatever. Wala akong friend group kung hindi to nangyari sa akin. Alam mo yung parang mag-isa ka, tapos lone warrior ka, lone wolf, no friends, no acquaintances, no buddy, no nothing. But then, a random group of people call you to sit with them. Like, alam mo yun, lonely ka, tapos biglang may tatawag sa'yo na, uy, halika rito, sama ka, gala tayo, samahan mo kami. And you're like, okay. So, you sit with them during lunch, tambay, kwentuhan, bam! Instant friend group. Like, congratulations! You have been adopted by a new friend group, Magal. Based on experience mga kaunggoy, lahat ng mga kaibigan ko ngayon ay hindi ko naging kaibigan dahil in-approach ko sila. 100% ng lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, sila ang nag-adopt or kinulit nila ako or in-approach nila ako. Alam niyo yan, lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, in-adopt lang ako. They took me under their wing and there you go, I have friends. Again, self-explanatory ito. Mas comfortable mag-open sa face-to-face. Lalo na when ka-close mo talaga. Ako kasi, para sa akin, mahirap mag-open up online sa chat kasi you never know when they'll screenshot whatever the fuck you just sent. And then, pagkatapos nila mag-screenshot, they will send it to random assholes. Tas ikakalat kung saan-saan. Uso yun ngayon eh. For some reason, uso yun ngayon. Laglagan, siraan, people telling other people's secrets. It's not safe. And plus, whatever you post on the internet, it's there forever. Well, yun yung sabi nila, like sabi ng mga ibang mga YouTubers na sikat, yun daw sabi nila. So the bottom line is, para sa akin, mas safe mag-open or mag-share sa face-to-face kesa online. Kasi at least sa face-to-face, hindi nila masi-screenshot yung sinasabi mo or whatever the fuck. Alrighty, Magol, so ayun na yung video na ito. Thanks for watching. Kung may suggestions pa kayo sa mga usapang video or what are your thoughts on this video, comment down below and let me know, Magol. Part 2 of this video series thing coming soon. Abangan ang cons ng online class and face-to-face friendship sa school, Magol. Stay tuned. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jireh said so. Shoutout nga pala sa mga dito, nakikita na po sa screen. Shoutout sa inyo. Like, lagi na pong may mga shoutout sa lahat ng videos namin. Alam niyo yun, para manood talaga kayo sa lahat ng video. And shoutout din sa comment of the day. Sino kaya yung hayop na yan?